So hi everyone. So now I'm going to discuss the example for 44. Calculate the volume of the solid generated when the area bounded by the curve where y equals to 1 over x and the line where we have 2y is equals to x minus 1. So now what I'm going to do is to find the points of intersection between the two graphs. So now equate the situation. So where we will have 2 bracket y. So where y is 1 over x equals to x minus 1. Next, I'm going to cross multiply the situation. So where we will have 2 is equals to x squared minus x. Rearrange the situation. X squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Then factorize the situation and we will have x minus 2 multiplied with x plus 1. So x is equals to 2, x equals to negative 1. Then substitute the situation and we will have y is equals to 1 over 2 and y is equals to negative 1. When the x is equals to 2, we will have 0.5. When the x is equals to negative 1, and we will have the value of y also negative 1. So now what we have to do is to sketch the graph. So kindly refers to the right hand side where we have the y-axis and the x-axis. So the basic graph for 1 over x is the reciprocal graph. So here we have the situation. Okay, reciprocal. Next, we are going to sketch the graph 2y is equals to x minus 1. So in here, we notice that 2y is equals to x minus 1 is a straight line graph. So the important points to sketch the graph is to have 2 points. So in here, basically, we already have negative 1, negative 1. So where we have the points of intersection. Another one will be 2, 0.5. So here will be the location. So kindly have a straight line. So in here we have the straight line. So here will be the situation for the graph. So do remember to name the graph y equals to 1 over x and at the same time 2y is equals to x minus 1. Okay, so let's proceed. So they said area bounded by the curve. Okay, y equals to 1 over x, the line 2y is equals to x minus 1, x is equals to 4, and y is equals to 0. So in here, where is the region? So here will be the region. Okay, here will be the region. So now what we have to do is to list down the formula. So here we have part A and here we have part B. So the situation for the volume would be V is equals to pi because of the situation 360 degree about the x-axis. So pi integrate for the part A will be 1 to 2. For the function x minus 1 over 2, we have the bracket square respect to x plus the part B where we have pi as well and from 2 to 4 and the function involved will be 1 over x bracket square with respect to x. Next what we have to do is to refers to the situation pi integrate where we have x minus 1 bracket square over 4 with respect to x plus pi integrate where we have x to the power of negative 2 with respect to x. So it means that in here we modified the situation. Okay, so now we are going to integrate the situation. So where we have pi integrate x minus 1 to the power of 3 over 3 multiplied with 4. After we integrate and we will have the limit 2 and 1 plus pi. After we integrate, we will have negative 1 over x, where we have the limit for 2. So if we substitute the situation, and we will have pi bracket 1 over 12 minus, if we substitute 1, we will obtain 0. So here will be the situation, plus pi bracket. If we substitute 4, and we will have negative 1 over 4 minus, if we substitute 2, we will have plus 1 over 2. So finally, the volume will be equals to pi bracket 1 over 12 plus with 1 over 4. So finally, the volume will be equals to pi over 3 unit cube. So that will be the situation.